Hi friends, welcome to MS Easy class. In this class today we are going to learn the noun, number. Okay, so the noun, the number. So number is nothing but how to form. We will learn how to form nouns, singular or plural. That is called number. Okay, so singular number and plural number. Okay, so we will learn today singular noun and plural noun, how to form from singular noun to plural noun forms. Okay, so let's get started. Let us see ahead what our definition says here. So what our definition says here, definition says number is that property of noun, okay, maybe noun, nouns and pronouns, which signifies, okay, whether only one person or thing or more than one is meant. Okay, so number is that property of nouns. Okay, noun, not nouns, noun and pronouns, which signifies whether only one person, okay, whether only one person or thing or more than one is meant. That is called number. Okay, so let us see ahead what our example says. Okay, so here rules of forming the plurals. Okay, so how to form plural nouns. So here we learn today rule number 1, how to form plural nouns, okay, from singular noun. So altogether we have 12 rules, but today I will teach you one rule. Okay, rule number 1. Let us see what our rule number 1 says. Rule number 1 says here, the noun which includes with consonant mostly is added s to form plural noun. Okay, so the noun which includes with consonant, okay, mostly is added s to form plural noun. That is to say, at the end to add s. Okay, so which here you have to be careful, which includes with consonant. Here it tells us which includes with consonant. So here singular noun is here and plural noun. So here singular noun arm means that we have got arm. So here when you form plural forms, so what you are adding here at the end of the word s. So here singular is here arm, 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 and plural form here arms here. So at the end you are adding here s. Okay, in the same way here book, here with b double ok, book, and then once you are trying to form a plural form out of singular form, so you are adding here s. Okay, so again here next one boat. So from boat to again here boats. Again a camel, from camel to camels. Again here cock to cocks. So this was the rule number 1. Okay, so here that is how we are actually forming. Here we have to be very careful what our rule number 1 says. The noun which includes with consonant, okay, with the word, okay, the noun or a word which includes with consonant, and then what we are going to add there we are going to add s, where at the end of the word while making from a singular form to plural forms. Okay, so this was the rule number 1, and in the next video we will learn again the next rule, what our next rule will say. Okay, so till then, okay, bye bye, take care and be in touch with us. And like this we will learn from beginning onwards and accurately we will learn. Okay, so okay, thank you, have a good day.